Hey traders, today is 31st of July 2019. So we are now live. WTI crude oil market. Day trade strategy for US session scalping. So as you can see now, we are 1 minute away after 10 a.m. in the morning New York time, and my local time is 10 p.m. So we are 12 hours ahead. So let's take a look on the result from the past 2 days. Okay, let's take a look on the result for the past 2 days. So you can see uh, we have on July 29 profit of 167 US dollars scalping WTI crude oil. So on 31st of on 30th July we are facing some losses around 400. So this is the second day, and on the third day for this week, which is right now, we are expecting to short sell the market. So we have received a good signal at 58.27. It looks like a breakout strategy, so it will be a quick, I believe, hopefully before the inventories data come out, because there's insufficient of time, so there's might be a major changes during this time. So I try not to trade during the uh, data release, inventory data release. So let's hope this a good opportunity for us to go in the market before 10:30 a.m. New York time. So let's wait. Okay, guys. It seems like the market hard to go to our direction, but still this is a valid signal for selling positions, because today there will be data release for inventories crude oil. So I will not trade during this data release, so I will exclude this position, and once the market stable, then I will re-enter again. But so far still a valid signal at 58.27. So let's take a look on the volume. There's no much volume can be seen, because a few minutes before the data release, all traders will run away and come back in within a few seconds after the data release. So there will be a quick, very quick and quite risky environment. So I will not trade during this time. So I will close my position. So right, I'm out, but still this entry is quite a good one. So I'm expecting for the market to have a pullback, then further down. So during data release, market will push further down. So let's wait and see. Another 6 more minutes. But I will not trade this signal unless 5 minutes after the data release, then the signal is still valid. Then I will go in to trade on the short sell position. Okay, guys, we are 30 seconds away before the data release. So please focus on the volume here. So we will see that the volume will vanish like okay, now this all reduced down 10 seconds before the data release. The market will freeze in a few seconds. So okay, now only small. Okay, data release. Oh, market reverse back. Oh, this was unexpected. So I will jump in the market after 2 minutes, or maybe after 2 minutes, just to be safe, in case there's a good opportunity to short sell the market somewhere here. So still waiting. So I'm using this clock. After 1 minute, then I will enter the market. So at this moment 58.62, the market did jump up, so I believe there is a positive news, or maybe there is a shortage in the supply. So now volume back to normal. So let's take a look if there is a spike. Okay, we can see 161, 145, 58, 55. So the market will have tendency to go further down at this moment, because the volume still not yet active. You can see a small volume waiting, and most of the traders is waiting maybe 2 minutes or 5 minutes after the data release. So we are now 1 minute after the data release. So I will wait my position at 58.27. Perhaps there's a reversal. Okay, now we are 2 minutes after the data release. I will go in the market at the first signal appear during the US sessions. So the first signal appear is a short sell signal, which is at 58.27. So I will queue my positions. So since today I will queue only one contract size, and because normally I will enter two, but since I have losses yesterday, so I will need to come down and trade as normal. So one contract size should be sufficient for me today. So the target will be at around 58.13. So this will be my exit. So we will see a profit of 140 US dollar if the market hit the signal to the downside. Okay, now the volume still not really interesting. There's a high volume, still the same, 58.55. Quite interesting on the upper side, 58.80, 58.85, 58.90, 58.95. So there's a high tendency for the market to go maybe short term high, then further down. I'm not sure about the news. I didn't check about the inventories. I don't care about that because my trading setup and signal is based on 100% technical, and it's not related to any news or event around the world. So this is a scalping US session. Should be a quick one. So let's wait. I will pause this video. It's gonna take some time. The market did move to the north drastically. Still, there's a high volume waiting here and here. So let's wait and see. In case there is no signal at this moment, so we will wait. Afternoon time could be another signal for US session. Okay, guys, we hit our entry. So I'm shorting the market at this moment. Looks good. Profit 80, profit 100, 90. It was a nice. So if this candle is a full candle, then there's a high possibility for me to go with a better profit. So need to hold it for a while. Let's take a look on the volume. It's quite moderate volume on the downside. Let's see on the upper side. Also still no spike. I believe most of the traders will enter the market after US New York noon time, after lunchtime. So it should be quite interesting later then. So let's take a look. Okay, we are 100 US dollar in profit, 110. So I'm getting ready to exit 120, 130, 140. So just keep watching this. This is my current profit. Looks good. 160. Okay, I will exit my position. Oh shit. only 110. Almost my Q at 58.06. But it's okay. Should I re-enter again? Never mind. We wait for another signal at noon time US session. I mean, New York time after lunch hour. Let's take a look how long it will take with this position. Let's take a look on today. There's a lot of cancellation. Okay, I think this one. No. When is trigger? Now the market is still around my entry level. Okay, I just checked. We did enter the market short sell at 58.27. This one exactly at 10.58, and then we exit the market at around 11. So this estimate around 2 minutes trading time. So it's quite fast. So with these 2 minutes, I did manage to secure a profit of 110 US dollar. So this is based on one lot contract size. I try to close at 160 at the profit, but because of the market reverse, and then only managed to close at 110. Which looks good. So now we are waiting for another signal, maybe after the lunch hour time. Okay guys, we resume back again. Did try to short on my second position at 58.41. So as you can see, this blue line, this is my new entry. So I'm expecting for the market to go for another bearish movement in the next 1 hour time. I will keep live posted during the time being. So let's take a look on the volume. So there's a very large volume waiting at 58.00 just now. So it's about 300 plus. So there's a high tendency for the market to go to this low tonight. I mean on that day US time. My time is 12 hour ahead. So there's no spike in the volume at this moment. It's quite moderate. So we'll see. I'm still expecting for the market to go for a bearish movement tonight. So let's wait. Let's hope this come through. Okay, so far looks good. You're positive 200 US dollar in profit, 210, as long the price keep moving down. So I'm in a profit. I did enter at 58.41. So hopefully you can make the target at 58.29. Also it's quite important because there's a large volume waiting. Okay, it hit 58.29. So we are about 240 US dollar in profit. So I can exit anytime I want. Looks good. I think we'll exit immediately. Okay. So total today should be 230 US dollar. Let's take a look on the activity log. Okay, I exit 90 minutes for this position. So in total, profit for today is 230 US dollar. It was a good day salary. Okay, guys, I think that's all for today. We please subscribe this channel and like, share, comment, anything, or you can ask everything. There's a link in the description. Maybe you can check. Um, this might help you. So we'll end my video for today with a good profit. This is in my local time now is midnight. So if you're in USA live trading with me, you are in the afternoon having your lunch maybe. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.